One of the most exciting software developments we've released in Materiality version 7 is the ability to compare materials, where we can actually take a look at the property data of more than one material and do side-by-side comparisons. This is embedded in both the My Properties icon as well as the Workgroup properties. Let's take a look and see how this could work for you. We simply go into the Workgroup properties and we select our material criteria. In this case, I'm going to select our sample data. And we'll select some materials here. We've got a capillary viscosity. We'll look at some specific heat. And we'll do the same thing for this material down here. There's a sample A and a sample D. We confirm our selection. And we can do a side-by-side comparison. In a matter of seconds, it's going to bring us all up into one chart. So now we've got some shear viscosity and shear rate data of the two materials. I've got 3 different temperatures. I can pare this down. Let's say we only want to take a look at one of these temperatures. In a matter of just a few clicks, I really got a great side-by-side comparison. I can see the trends of both sample A as well as how sample D is going to perform. Furthermore, I can take a look at the specific heat versus the temperature curve and can really see how these two are really going to perform and how we have some great information here to work with. And I also have the accessory data as well. So this really starts to give us a great idea of how these two materials are similar and how they're going to be different. Let's go ahead and do one more sample. This time I'm going to take a look at some engineering stress strain data. So we'll go in here. And again, I can do this several different ways as far as really scaling to the information that's most important to me. We're going to do some tensile properties. In this case, I want some engineering tensile curves. And we'll get rid of that sample, so I want to see everything we've got there. And we've got our list of materials here now that's available to us. These are rubbers. So let's take a look at some plastics. In this case, let's take a look at some HDPE and some ultra-molecular high-weight polyethylene. We'll do a side-by-side comparison of these two. So I check them. I have my selection. And now I can do a side-by-side comparison. And again, it's doing all the analytics for us. We're not plotting this into Excel or anything else. We start to get our data and we can take a look at this in a lot more detail. I've got a couple curves here. Before I begin, I even want to get an air bounce. I want to see how this is going to perform with an air bounce of, let's say, I don't know, 10%. We simply click here. We get our air bounce. We'll select 10%. Now, for this design, this application, perhaps we only want to look at one temperature. Again, we've got an awful lot of information here, perhaps more than we really need. So we can take out some of the data here, and we'll take a look at these two as they perform at -10. Now we really have some great information here. We can scale this in here. We'll get us a better view of what we're looking at. And in a matter of seconds, we really now have a great comparison of how the HDPE is going to perform. It's obviously a little bit stronger. And we've also got the ultra-high-weight polyethylene and how it's performing as well. How it doesn't have that break there. When we have all the information we need, we simply can take a snapshot. In a matter of seconds, we now have an image. We can apply this into our PowerPoints, into our Word documents, to our Excel spreadsheets, anything we need to really report our findings and really complete the material selection process. For more information on the compare features and any of the features available on Materiality, feel free to contact Materiality at info@materiality.com or give us a call in the United States here at 1-607-257-1784. Thanks for watching and have a great day.